a round of applause. A very competitive puller on the OSTPA circuit. The green flag is out. Keep Wiemken all fired up. What happened. Hopefully it's not any transmission issue. They've had that this year, but he definitely looks like he got out of it right at the 100-foot mark, so if he's able to go, we can pull him back and give him... Here we are, the green flag is out! When those things break, they're about a $400 item. Shuts down the truck right now. We're going to try it again. The green flag is out. Extremely hooked is what he calls it. The oil gas truck. Oh, boy! Wow! What do you say, Madison County Tractor Pull Band? Give it up for Carl Atley. The green flag is out. Live wire. tow tractor, please. He's had a good run going. Chaos once again out of Shiloh, Ohio.